If you're an auto fanatic and enjoy building things, chances are you're also an avid model car kit hobbyist, or want to try your hand at the DD craft. Winter is the perfect time to dive in, as the activity can easily span an entire cozy weekend indoors, no matter your level of expertise. There are many products available to choose car kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best model car kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LEGO 1960s Ford Mustang Model Car Kit. LEGO's Ford Mustang Model Car Kit comes with parts to customize your creation, including exhaust pipes, front chin and rear ducktail spoilers, and a nitrous oxide tank. The mini 1960s muscle car has realistic details, such as white racing stripes and 5-spoke rims, plus there's a V8 engine, air filter, hoses and battery under the front hood. The trunk and doors also open, and other highlights include a removable roof panel, dashboard with radio, and a gear shift on the console, plus an operational steering wheel. The 1,471-piece kit is a customer favorite, with an impressive average 4.9 stars from more than 5,000 reviewers. Key spec scale 113 dimensions 13x5x3 and dot material plastic. Number 2. Best Advanced Model Car Kits. The American muscle car era was one of the most popular in automotive history. Ford was the king of the hill, and their cars reflected that. There were plenty of choices for buyers, but Ford had a monopoly on the market. They offered great performance and great looks at an affordable price. The 1970 Torino Cobra was no exception. It was powerful and stylish, and it became one of America's favorite sports cars. Looking for an American muscle car that is sure to turn heads? Look no further than the 1974 Torino Cobra. This impressive 1/18 scale model car kit is a must-have for car collectors and enthusiasts of all ages. The model features preserved bodywork and stunning colors that are sure to impress. Whether you're a collector or want to show off your skills in driving, this American muscle car is perfect for you. Number 3. Tamiya 2015 Ford GT Model Car Kit. In 1966, the first model of this car, the 1966 GT40 Mk2, famously beat Ferrari's 330 P3 at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. If you want the full story of the saga, check out the movie Ford v Ferrari, starring Christian Bale and Matt Damon. Fast forward several decades to this slick car, which was unveiled at the 2015 North American International Auto Show. Tamiya's model car kit does a stellar job replicating the 2015 Ford GT with this set, which doesn't even skip the underside design. There are also buttresses, door-side air tunnels, and head and tail lights with multiple pieces, plus it comes with a metal-plated wheel, an oil tank, and a full set of diesels, including optional racing stripes. Number 4. LEGO Ferrari 488 GT Model Car Kit. LEGO's take on the iconic Ferrari 488 GT has a ton of authentic features, including original race stickers and paint colors, a V8 engine with moving pistons, and interior details that are incredibly accurate. There's also a functional steering wheel and doors that open, plus front and rear suspension. The 1,677-piece set is for experienced LEGO builders, and although its scale isn't listed, the model car is quite large at 19 inches long. Number 5. LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron Model Car Kit. This splurge-worthy LEGO kit is a collector's dream, a 1/8 scale Bugatti Chiron that was created in partnership with Bugatti to ensure every detail is true to the over-the-top luxury car. The 3,599-piece set includes a W16 engine, 8-speed gearbox with paddle gear shift, and an active rear wing, along with a steering wheel, spoke trims, detailed brake discs, and a collector's booklet. The car's interior is exceptionally realistic, and there's even a unique serial number underneath the hood. Key spec scale 1/8 dimensions, 22x9x5 in. Material: plastic. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.